In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up and apply customer discounts in QuickBooks Online. Let's get started with a step-by-step guide to ensure you can manage discounts with ease. First, we'll begin by logging into QuickBooks Online. This is the gateway to managing your accounting needs, so open up your preferred internet browser. Chrome is often recommended for its compatibility. Navigate over to the QuickBooks website at quickbooks.intuit.com and sign in with your credentials. Once logged in, you're all set to begin the process of handling discounts within your system. Next, we'll focus on creating a discount item provided one hasn't already been set up in your account. To do this, you'll first need to click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear located in the top right corner of your screen. From there, locate the Lists section and choose All Lists, followed by Products and Services. Within this section, click on the New button in the upper right corner. You'll want to select Service as the type of item you're creating. Go ahead and name this new service something intuitive, like Customer Discount. It's important to set the sales price or rate to 0 since this item will solely be used for applying discounts. For the income account, choose a suitable account that reflects sales discounts, often named something like Sales Discounts. If this account doesn't already exist, you'll need to create it. Once everything is set, save your new discount item. With our discount item ready, it's time to apply it to an invoice. Begin by navigating to the left menu and clicking on Sales, then Invoices. You have the option of opening an existing invoice or creating a new one. Add your usual products and services to the invoice, and then on a new line, include the customer discount item you just created. You'll input the discount amount as a negative number, for instance, -50 for a $50 discount. QuickBooks will automatically deduct this discount from the total invoice amount, effectively applying a reduction for your customer. Now that the discount is applied, it's crucial to review your invoice. Double check the total to confirm the discount has been correctly applied. Once everything looks good, save the invoice and send it to your customer in the usual manner. Before we finish, let's touch on recording discounts on sales receipts should you use them. The process mirrors the one for invoices. Simply add the discount item as a negative amount. Finally, keeping track of the discounts you've given is important for your financial analysis. You can run reports to see total discounts applied. Head over to Reports and search for either Profit and Loss or Sales by Product Service Summary. These reports will provide a clear view of the discounts, helping you manage your finances effectively. And that concludes today's guide on handling discounts in QuickBooks Online. I hope you found this walkthrough useful and that it makes managing your financials a little easier. Thanks for watching.